Hi friends, my name is Baji. Welcome to our channel. From today onwards, we will start the performance testing tools module. This is the critical module and I'll try to simplify the concepts for a better understanding. Okay. In this module, I will try to share the jmeter tool concepts. Before going into the details of jmeter, do you know why some companies will use loadrunner and some companies will use jmeter and some other tools? How do they decide on the tool for their performance testing activities? So that's our today's topic. How to choose the right performance testing tool. If you are starting at a company with an established performance testing setup, you will likely adopt the tool already in use by the team. However, if you joined a company requesting your input on selecting a performance testing tool, then it is important to understand the process of choosing the appropriate one. Okay. Selecting the right performance testing tool depends on various factors aligned with your project's need and the team capabilities. In general, this activity will take place during the planning phase in the performance testing life cycle. There are so many performance testing tools available in the market and each tool has pros and cons. So it is difficult to conclude which tool is best for the project needs. In many companies, teams will conduct a POC, nothing but proof of concept. Basically, in general terms, POC is a little test or experiment to check if something will work before committing. So performance testing teams will evaluate the tool's feasibility by following the step-by-step approach. So let's quickly go through those step-by-step approaches to evaluate the tool's feasibility. Firstly, they will evaluate different tool features to see if it is right fit for their performance testing. They'll define specific performance objectives, identify the metrics they wish to measure and assess whether the tool can deliver those metrics. For example, response time, throughput, etc. They will also categorize various testing types and confirm the tool's capability to execute those specific tests. For instance, stress tests, scalability tests, etc. And they will also factor in the nature of the application, whether it is web, mobile or API, and the technologies utilized to ensure the tool aligns with and supports these aspects effectively. They validate whether the tool supports the protocols and technologies used in their application. For example, HTTP, HTTPS, TCP/IP, etc. They will also check the tool's user interface, learning curve, script creation, recording process, and other user-friendliness aspects. They will verify the tool's ease in performance tasks like correlation, parameterization, creating server response assertions, etc. After every test, it is required to share the test results with the project stakeholders. So, the team will evaluate the reporting capabilities of the tool. They will verify whether the tool can provide the detailed and customization reports that suits the needs. Due to so many new technologies and frameworks, they will verify the tool integration capabilities. For example, they will see if it is possible to integrate the test in the CI/CD pipeline. After evaluating the tool features, they will consider the most important factor, that is budget. They will evaluate the tool's pricing structure, whether the tool is open source or commercial. They will look into the licensing model like per user, per test or subscription based if the tool is commercial. After gathering all these cost aspects, they will check with the client to see if they have enough budget for these tools. Every tool may have some bugs or sometimes may require some customizations or enhancements. So commercial tools will have dedicated support teams from the vendor. However, there won't be any dedicated support for open source tools. So the teams will understand the support model and understand how difficult to manage in case of any tool related challenges during the performance testing. If the vendor is not managing the tool's infrastructure like cloud-based solutions, then the client should have the required infrastructure to install and maintain the tools. So they need to have a dedicated tools admin who will take care of deploying the patches or installing the updates from the vendor, etc. So the performance testing teams will evaluate the cost associated with regard to the maintenance. Next, they will factor in the availability of skilled resources in the market. In a competitive job market, retaining resources long term can be challenging. Therefore, the team should ensure the ease of replacing skilled resources if they seek better prospects. Finally, they will initiate a trial period by using the tool for a smaller, manageable project to understand its functionality. They will assess the tool's performance and whether it aligns with their anticipated requirements. They will also gather feedback from team members who will regularly engage with the tool to understand its usability and effectiveness. After gathering all necessary data, they will create the tool's feasibility report and share it with the client stakeholders. Upon all the discussion, they will consider the tool that best aligns with their requirements, fits within their budget, and it's compatible with their team skills. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for staying till the end and supporting me. I hope you understand the process of selecting the right performance testing tool to meet the requirements. In case anything is not clear or requires more detailed information, please feel free to mention it in the comment section. All the video notes have been uploaded in Git Hub and you can find the link in the description. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and also like and share this video so that others will also get benefited. I'll see you with our next video in this module. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep learning.